theory stream of the Collarts Audio Production degree contains 6 units spread across the 6 trimesters of the degree, and these provide students with all of the theoretical and technical knowledge and background that underpins all of their studies in the practical streams. Hi, so Audio 1 is a basic audio theory unit. We cover what is sound, its characteristics, how we measure it, frequencies, decibels. We cover a bit of how the ear works and the limitations of our hearing. Obviously, that's important for audio engineers. And we cover a bit of audio technology. And then we go on to a little bit of digital audio theory. Along the way, we cover things like standard operating levels in studios. So at the end of the unit, students have a good understanding of the basics of audio theory, both analog and digital. That moves on to Audio 2, and in Audio 2 we look at microphones. And we have a few microphones here. We have small diaphragm condensers, we have large diaphragm condensers, mics. We look at how to use them and the differences between them. For example, this microphone, this is a large diaphragm condenser. We look at the details of how they're made, the capsule physics, etc., and how to use them properly. We look at stereo microphone techniques in particular. The last third of this unit is audio history, a history of audio over the last 100 years. We go from cylinder players like this one over here. We cover the electrification of recording from its acoustic beginnings, electrical recording. We move on through stereo, the development of tape recording, multi-track tape recording, through to the present day with digital recording. And we cover this in cultural and a technological point of view. In Audio 3, we look at acoustics. So we examine the way sound behaves in a room. And when you think about it, we never hear sound without acoustics. Everything that we record is acoustics. We look at critical listening environments. We look at stadium acoustics, control room acoustics, performance space acoustics. And we end up looking at convolution, which is how we can recreate acoustics inside electrical equipment and plugins. Audio 4 is electronics. And in Audio 4, students learn to solder. They learn the basics of electronics. They learn to solder. They learn to make cables. They learn to solder a printed circuit board. Typically they build a guitar pedal, which they keep as part of the course. Audio 5 is about audio systems. In audio systems, we look at audio over IP, so running audio over digital networks. We also look at audio systems, things like the county court system, like Flemington Racecourse, a large system there, say Hamer Hall, and these systems are all quite different and they have different requirements. And we look at these because it's the largest employer of audio knowledge. And in Audio 6, we do a research project. We look at research, we look at the future of audio in Audio 6, where it's going, and the sort of things that students are going to face over the next 10 to 20 years in audio developments. We look at how to engage with research, not just magazines, but the real research that's going on, and what the future will look like for students. Students write a research paper or they build a project in a software environment such as Max MSP. Please view the other videos if you want more information on any of the other streams. If you're interested in applying for one of our courses, please visit us at collarts.edu.au.